In this tutorial, I will explain how to import Trezor and Ledger wallets to a BlockSettle terminal. To import a Ledger wallet, simply plug it into your computer and enter your passcode on the device. Then choose the Bitcoin or Bitcoin test application, depending on which environment you're using. When the Ledger device displays application ready, then press Create Wallet in the top right of the Wallet tab in the terminal. Then press Import Hardware, select the wallet and press Import. The device will then show up in the wallet list. To import the Trezor wallet, you must make sure you have the Trezor bridge installed on your computer. Plug in the Trezor device. Then press Create Wallet and Import Hardware. You will then be prompted to enter your PIN using a shuffled number grid. Your Trezor device will display which grid to use when entering the PIN. Once the PIN has been entered, press Accept. The wallet will show up in the wallet list.